Hello, young mathematicians. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of coordinate geometry. You know how we use maps to find places? Coordinate geometry is like using a map, but for math. It helps us find the exact location of points and shapes. This is super useful in so many fields, from designing bridges to creating video games. Imagine trying to build a bridge without knowing exactly where each piece goes. That would be a disaster. Coordinate geometry gives us the tools to pinpoint locations with precision. It's like having a secret code to unlock the mysteries of shapes and their positions. Now let's meet our playing field, the Cartesian plane. Imagine a giant grid like the one you use for tic-tac-toe, but extending infinitely in all directions. This grid is our coordinate plane. It has two main lines, the x-axis and the y-axis. Think of the x-axis as a number line running horizontally like the horizon. The y-axis is another number line running vertically like a tall building. Where these two lines meet is our starting point, called the origin. Now for the fun part, plotting points. Each point on our grid has a unique address, called coordinates. These coordinates are written as a pair of numbers inside parentheses, x, y. The first number, x, tells us how far to move horizontally from the origin along the x-axis. The second number, y, tells us how far to move vertically from there along the y-axis. It's like following directions: go 3 steps east and 2 steps north. Sometimes we need to find out how far apart 2 points are on our grid. This is where the distance formula comes in handy. It's like a magical ruler that helps us measure distances on the coordinate plane. The distance formula looks a bit scary, but it's actually quite simple. It basically uses the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the straight line distance between 2 points. We take the difference in their x-coordinates, square it, add it to the square of the difference in their y-coordinates, and then find the square root of the whole thing. That's it for today. We've explored the world of coordinate geometry, learned about the Cartesian plane, plotted points, and even discovered the distance formula. Remember, coordinate geometry is like a map for math, helping us understand the positions and relationships between points and shapes.